Hi, I'm Shelley from Cromarty, and today we're talking slime. Let's have a look at what you're going to need. So these containers are biodegradable and compostable, so you can mix and store your slime. You're then going to need some glue, be that clear or white. You're also going to need a spatula. The first thing you're going to do is pour your glue into your container. This is usually about a 50-50 ratio to glue and activator. I always say use less because you can always add more. Go about halfway to the green line and then pour in your activator. I stir as I go because then if it gets too wet, I can add more glue, and if it gets too thick, I can add more activator. Keep stirring, and as you stir, the consistency will change, and that will give you your desired type of slime. If you mix your slime correctly, you should find that you can get the slime out of the container without it sticking around the sides, and then you'll have a nice, easy, non-messy slime. So now we've made a basic slime, what about colouring it? Well, you can use a range of different things. In this particular slime, I've used some tulip paint and some glitter, and you just mix that into your slime as you go. There's also lots of different things that you can put into your slime, including bugs, spiders, snow, confetti, crystals. The list is endless. You may have used foam clay on your ceramic pieces, but have you ever thought about mixing it in with your slime? Well, here's another idea. It gives a really unique texture and is cool for kids. In this next bit of the video, I use some neon orange paint along with some glitter clay. You don't need much, just stir it in and then mix it with your hands into the clay. This gives you glitter slime. You really can have so much fun with slime, and you can add in practically anything. So why not go to our website at Cromarty and see all the add-ons we have to make your slime experience exciting and creative. Enjoy!